Welcome to Center Maths. Welcome to this week's Center Maths problem of the week. For this week's problem, we want to find a function going from the positive rationals to the positive rationals, such that for any xy in the positive rationals, we have f of x times f of y equals f of x over y. So we're going to start off. We're going to plug in some numbers for x and y. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, plug in x equals y equals 1. This gives us f of 1 equals f of 1. Then we're going to plug in x equals 1, y equals f of 1. This gives us f of 1 equals 1. Now, knowing this equation, here f of 1 is just f of 1. Then we have f of 1, which again is just f of 1. So this simplifies to f of 1 equals 1. Now we're going to do another substitution. So some more information we're going to gather. We're going to plug in x equals 1. That gives us f of y. F of 1 we've established is 1. F of y equals 1 over y. And we're going to note if we have f of y equals 1, taking f of both sides, we have f of y must equal f of 1, which is just 1. And we know f of y is 1 over y. So we have 1 over y equals 1 or y equals 1. So that means f of y equals 1 if and only if y equals 1. So now some more substitution. So we're going to plug in x equals f of 1 over y for x. And knowing from our previous relation, f of 1 over y is in fact 1 over y, which is just y, so this becomes 1. So then we have f of 1 over y times f of y, f of the whole thing, it equals 1, but we established f of something equals 1 if and only if that something is equal to 1. So we have f of 1 over y equals 1 over f of y. We also, and this is the last relation, if we plug in z equals f of y, so this becomes f of xz on the left, then we have, and we also know taking f of both sides, f of z equals 1 over y. So then we have f of xz equals f of x, f of z. So this function is multiplicative. So that means since we're only working in the positive rationals, if we take f of some positive rational, we can express it as some product of primes on top over some product of primes on bottom. We only need to know the value of the function on these primes to know what the function is. And so this problem is only asking for one such function, and so we can establish that by we can establish by putting, we know f of 1 equals 1 for every prime going forward, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Pair them up, 2 and 3, 5 and 7, 11 and 13, etc., and go forward like that. And so for these two pairs, set f of p, the first prime, equals q, the second prime in your pair. F of q equals 1 over p. And this becomes p gets sent to q, gets sent to 1 over p, gets sent to 1 over q, gets sent to p. And you'll see this satisfies all our relations here as complete multiplicative. F of y gives us 1 over y, as we see here. Boop, boop. And yeah, and this function satisfies our conditions. Thanks for watching. Please check out centermath.org and follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you.